Correct English versus Pidgin English. How are you? Pidgin, how you dey? I am doing well. I dey kampe. What? Waiting. What is going on? Waiting dey sup. There is a problem. Wahala dey o or kasala dey o. I am hungry. I dey itch. I am very hungry. Hunger dey tear my belle. Please help me with 1,000 naira. Abeg, reason me 1k or abeg find me 1k. I want to eat. I want chop. The man is dead. The man don kpai. What killed him? Na wetin kpai am. Thank you very much for watching. Please share this video and follow our page for more wonderful content. Thank you.